In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to Microsoft Excel. If you have data locked inside a PDF and you want to work with it in a spreadsheet, Excel has a built-in tool that can help make that process much easier. We'll walk through how to import the PDF, choose the data you want, and save it as an Excel workbook you can edit. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and get your workbook ready. Once you're in Excel, go to the Data tab at the top of the screen. This is where Excel keeps its import and connection tools, including the option pulls we need for bringing information in from a PDF. From the Data tab, click Get Data. A menu will appear with several import options. In that menu, choose from File and then click from PDF. This tells Excel that the source of your data is a PDF document rather than another spreadsheet, text file, or database. Next, select the PDF you want to convert. Browse to the folder where your PDF is saved, click on the file, and then choose Import. Excel will take a moment to scan the document and detect any tables or structured data it can extract. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this may take a few seconds. After that, the Navigator window will open. This is an important step because Excel will show you the tables it found inside the PDF. Click through the available options and choose the table you want to import. As you select each one, you'll see a preview of the data. Take a moment here to review it carefully and make sure it matches what you need. This preview helps you confirm that the rows and columns were recognized correctly before bringing anything into the worksheet. Once you've selected the correct table, click Load. Excel will then import that table directly into your worksheet as editable data. At this point, the content is no longer trapped in the PDF. You can sort it, filter it, format it, and update it just like any other Excel data. Finally, review the imported information and make any necessary corrections. Sometimes PDF formatting can cause small alignment issues, so it's a good idea to quickly check column headings, numbers, and spacing. When everything looks right, go to File, then Save As. Choose where you want to save the workbook, enter a file name, and click Save. And that's how to convert a PDF to Microsoft Excel using Excel's built-in import feature.